This is Jagadish Chanda from Awaken India Movement, West Bengal. We are very fortunate that we have been able to file a writ petition against the mask mandate and explaining the harmful effect of wearing mask in our Kolkata High Court. And yesterday, it was heard for the first time by the Chief Justice, Honorable Chief Justice, and is a division bench. This was argued by Senior Advocate Arunanshu Chakraborty. So we'll be getting a small update from him. Sir, please.
Actually, what happened today, we have the organization has challenged. On behalf of the organization, Mr. Chanda challenged the notification order issued by the Chief Secretary directing the police to prosecute the public who does not wear masks, and this regarding wearing masks. This notification issued by the Chief Secretary is absolutely illegal and unconstitutional, because there is no medical evidence available till date that wearing masks is mandatory. Wearing masks is necessary to stop spreading of COVID virus. There is no evidence. Number one, even Supreme Court in Ray 3 of Suomoto petition 3 of 2021, quoting American Supreme Court pertaining to COVID pandemic, says that even in a pandemic, Constitution cannot be put away or forgotten, and the medical emergency doesn't give carte blanche to the government to disregard the Constitution. What executive is to do is to act on the basis of the medical evidence. Therefore, according to Government of India Health Ministry, that they have not issued any mandate that wearing mask is to be strictly followed. But no such mandate has been given by the Ministry of Health, and they also admitted that there is no study pertaining to the wearing a mask, whether this is helpful or is harmful. So therefore, the executive cannot, in violation of the constitutional right, impose any restriction upon the citizen to do such thing pertaining to the health question. So the Honorable Chief Division Bench admitted the public litigation and directed the state government to reply to the allegations and the prayer contained in the petition within 4 weeks, and thereafter it will be decided by the court whether the wearing mask is mandatory or it is a directory, or it can, the Chief Secretary himself can issue such an order. Already the Honorable the Government of India Ministry of Health submitted an affidavit wherein it states that wearing mask is advisable, is not mandatory. Therefore, such order issued by the Chief Secretary is absolutely unconstitutional, violative of Article 21 of the Constitution of India, and even the Section 51 of the Disaster Management Act never said that you have to wear masks, otherwise you will be penalized. In fact, there is no such. Section 60 of the Act categorically stated that no court can take organizations unless there is a specific allegation made by the authority. Authority means, has been defined in the Act, authority means not Chief Secretary alone. Authority should be a committee. So therefore, this absolutely arbitrary, malafide, unreasonable. So naturally, this order on the sole ground of unreasonableness can be struck down, because there is no such medical label. Because, for example, if someone has COPD, if someone asthma, if someone other heart-related problem, the constable or a civic volunteer should know the implications of wearing mask or not wearing mask. And you are given just arbitrary power to the constable and other or subordinate police officer to arrest a citizen. Everyone has a right to move under Article 91. Yeah. One should be prosecuted to due process of law. So on the street, you will just penalize a person if he doesn't wear mask. Under what authority of law? And penal statute has to be construed strictly. Yeah. Then there is no scope for any other interpretation of penal statute is the second proposition of law. Tomorrow, if the government may issue a notification, a citizen must have above 2 feet or must be below 2 feet. Even if someone keeps mustache, then he will be prosecuted. So that is the most ridiculous thing done by the Chief Secretary. In fact, Bombay High Court already directed the Maharashtra government, you come with a report, or come with a report or something else, that whether you will on your own withdraw the notification or you will just set aside the notification issued by the Chief Secretary. There, what Maharashtra government did, that they said that if someone does not vaccination, he should not be allowed to travel by train, and those who have already vaccinated, they should be allowed only. This is, according to Bombay High Court, is discriminatory, and this is violative of Article 14, 19 of the Constitution of India. And at the same time, the Bombay High Court said that the offence under Section 186 and 188 is not applicable without the permission of the magistrate. There is no should be any complaint from the magistrate, and therefore penal statute, Indian Penal Code has no manner of application to the offence under the DM Act, because the DM Act having overriding effect on any other law inconsistent therewith. Therefore, it is a parliamentary act, and there is no clause mentioned that the provisions of CRPC or IPC should also be applicable if there is a violation of the section contained in this DM Act. So this is absolutely ridiculous, arbitrary notice.
Okay. Yes, I mean, one more thing is that in this medical situation, this DM, as per the National Disaster Management Plan, Minister of Health and Family Welfare is the nodal agency. I mean, every verdict regarding this health and science, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare will have the supreme, say. So, as per the Minister of Health and Family Welfare guidelines and the reply in the RTA, the wearing of the mask, though made advisable, without having, after being they candidly admitting that there is no, the Government of India has no research conducted, and it is advisable, but nowhere explicitly the Minister of Health and Family Welfare has made it mandatory, and also it is being in a affidavit submitted by the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, they have also said it another time that it is only advisable. So please, friends, spread this message from Sir Arunanshu Chakraborty to far and wide in the remotest villages where police may be harassing innocent people just for not wearing a mask. So this message, I mean, this simple message can protect them from being harassing. Will be coming. I mean, the court has given some time to the state governments, and we are waiting for the reply, and we will be proceeding. And we are more way to. I mean, we are hoping positive results soon. Thank you. Thank you very much.